Air duct leakage costs homeowners $25 billion a year in utility bills. If that isn't bad enough, 25 to 60% of heated and cooled air doesn't even make it into the intended room. Doodlebuggers has been inspecting and cleaning air ducts since 1998. We can help save you money through our duct leak test and duct sealing services. Our duct leak test generates a report that shows the calculated duct air tightness and efficiency loss of your system. Although not all systems will need to be cleaned and sealed, most homes will benefit through energy savings and improved comfort. We seal the ducts on the inside to ensure that all gaps are filled. The sealing system we use was featured on Ask This Old House and comes with a 10-year guarantee. Call 1-800-AIR-DUCT or 477-1151 to schedule air duct inspection and duct leak test, or visit hugyourhome.com for more information.